Here we are, Bailey Creek, round 2. Get Matt over here. This is 1 year to the day since we paddled last time. Kind of funny. Didn't plan it, just happened that way.
This is the North Fork of the South Platte River, Bailey, Colorado.
God, that boat's like, that's gotta be 60 pounds at least. Swapping boats with Matt. I'm gonna take his kayak down, put him in a Packraft first time. See what happens. It feel weird?
It like bends in half.
Oh yeah, totally.
Almost like a taco.
Yep.
That's kind of weird. I'd say that's the only weird thing I'm feeling.
That's what saves you though. Like you can drop in something where you'll totally piton a kayak and you'll just like flubber over it. Like, yeah, you won't hit rocks. It might have to get inflated after a while too. You'll feel it if it starts feeling like soft. Yeah, it's shocking. You feel like you're not gonna be able to punch a hole in it, then it just like, it totally punches it. All right, this is right below the 4 falls. We're going into the steeps. Thing, dude. Sweet boat, it's really fast. This thing's sweet.
Big rock there on the right.
Yeah, right.
You go around that rock, directly kind of hug the left side of that, back side of that rock.
Gotcha.
It's flipping like a tongue. Kind of just stay to the left of that. There'll
Gotcha.
be 2 holes after that.
Gotcha.
Biggest hole is going to be the bottom hole.
All right.
Right behind that hole, there's a sieve.
All right.
So the river's going to go left.
Gotcha.
After the hole.
Yeah. Left. Yeah, it's getting tighter at these lower levels.
Yes, it does.
Tree. Nice save, man.
I almost went over.
Yeah, you got it though. It doesn't take much to brace those.
towards that. You want to punch towards that curler.
Yep.
And slide the rock.
That one almost tripped me up. That's Deer Creek Rapid.
Left, where you see that plate.
Cool. Man, I had a harder time in that rapid than any drop in the river.